Hi students, I am Anita HV, Department of Computer Science, Kottureshwara College, Kottur. Today let us discuss the practical section of the data structure, that is concept linear search. What is meant by linear search? Here what is meant by first searching? Searching means we are finding the element in an array. It means we are finding the elements in an array. In the existing numbers, we are finding the elements. For example, 10, 20, 30. In this array list, array ranges from 0 to n minus 1, that is 10 is found at the position 0, next 20 a of 1, next 30 a of 2. If it means we are finding the element or we are searching the element. For example, we have to search the element 20 means it prints the search is successful. If element is not found in the given array, it prints element is not found. How the linear search works? Here linear search means we are searching the element in the sequential order or in the linear form. This is the algorithm for the linear search. Step 1 is we have to set the location for first -1. Here for p is equal to 0 to n minus 1. It means array ranges from 0 to n minus 1. For example, we are taking the value of n means 0 to n minus 5 minus 1, that is 0 to 4. It means first we have to give this condition, that is a of p is equal to element. Here p means position of the element. It is element means it is searching element. Next, location is set is equal to p. Location is set to the position of the element where the search element is find out. Here go to the step 3. Here if statement is end, here for loop is end. Next step 3. If the element find at the position, it set the location is equal to, location is greater than or equal to 0 means it prints the location, else it prints search is unsuccessful. It means the element is not found in this array. Let us discuss one example here. For example, n is equal to 3, 10, 20, 50. That is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2. Here in linear search means we are finding the element or we are searching the element from the first position to the last position. Here 10, 20, 50. There are 3 elements. First we have to search from the 10 and end with the 50. If the searching element, that is equal to 50. If we want to search the element, that is 50 means first location set is equal to -1. We start from 0 to n minus 1. It means from beginning element to n minus 1, that is 2. 0 to 2. If a of p is equal to element a of p, that is the first position, that is equal to a of 0. In the a of 0, it has the element, that is 10. It is equal to searching element, that is ELE, that is searching element, that is equal to 50. It means 10 equals to 50. It is condition is false because 10 is not equal to 50 here. Next, go to the next position. This is the a of 0 position. Next position is a of 1. In the a of 1, it has the element, that is 20. The searching element, that is a of p is equal to element. Searching element is equal to 50. Here also 20 is not equal to 50, so the condition again false. Next, go to the position 2. In the a of 2 position, we have the element, that is 50. The searching element is also a 50. Now the match is found, that is 50 is equal to 50. The condition is true, then it prints the location or position of the element. 50 is found at the position a of 2. That is in the second position the element 50 is found. Now the search is successful. Here it prints the location, else print search is unsuccessful. Here we got the element 50, so search is successful. If the element is not found, means how it works? Let's see. Now we are searching the element that is equal to 60. Again it start from 10, again next 20, next 50. There is no match with the 10 is not match with the 60. Again 20 does not match with the 60. 50 doesn't match with the 60. So in these array list there is no element 60. So it doesn't print any location and it prints search is unsuccessful. When the element is not found, it prints that is search is unsuccessful. Let us discuss the practical section, how it works in the computer system and how we are executing this linear search algorithm. The linear search will works in the computer system, how we are executing this program. Here we are defining the linear search program here by the class, that is we are using the classes because we are using the data structure using CPP. So we are defining the here class. Here we are naming the class name is linear. In the class it consists of data types and member functions and data members, that is integer a of 10, it consists arrays, that is 10 elements. Next I, n, item, these are all the data members, and in the public section we are used the two member functions, that is read and search. Read is used for the inputting the variables and search is used to find the element using linear search method. Here class is closes, that semicolon indicates that class is closed here. Next we are defining the member function outside the class, that is void array. Using the scope resolution operator we are defining the member functions outside the class. Here definition is open function, member function definition. Next enter the size of the array, because we have to first enter the size of the array. It means we can take n is equal to 5, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 10. How many number of elements we want, that we have to take that size of the array, that is n variable. Next enter the elements. How many elements means how many size we are taking, that takes the number of elements. Here we take the n is equal to 3, we can take 3 number of elements. Next for loop to read these elements for I is equal to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Next it has to read the a of I. Next here read function is closed. Next go to the array next go to the search function. Here it means it is according to the algorithm. This search function is according to the linear search algorithm. Here initially I already discussed in the previous board work, that is location is equal to -1. It means we have to first set the location is equal to -1. Next to enter the element to be searched. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಐಟಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸರ್ಚ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಐಟಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here if a of I is equal to item, in algorithm we taken that is a of p. Here instead of p we are taking here I. A of I indicates the position of the array. A of I is equal to item. Next location is equal to I. If the item matches with the position, then location is set to the I. Next break. Next if element location is found at the element, if location is greater than or equal to 0, search is successful, else search is unsuccessful. If the element is found in the linear array, it means the element is successful or element is unsuccessful. Next this is the main function, that is array A. A is the object we are creating for the class. We are creating for the class linear. A is the object we are creating for the class linear. Here clear screen. A dot read. It is we are using the CPP because of CPP programming language. It is the bottom up approach. So when we are using that is a dot read, that is through the objects we are calling the functions, that is member functions a dot read. When we are using this a dot read, when we are calling that function, it goes to the here read function. It is takes the input, that is size of the array and the number of elements. Next, a dot search. After taking the values or after taking the elements, it searches the element, that is a dot search. This goes to the next, that is search function. Next, if required, you can optional get the get ch. So how it works? See, first compile the program, that is using first save the program here F2 or go to the file and press save. Next, compile the program. Here use the mouse or keyboard, that is there are 2 errors here. See, because we are defining here in the linear. Okay, again save the program. Next, compile the program using Alt F9, that is key Alt F9 to compile the program. See here there is no errors. Next, enter. Next, run the program using Control F9. Here it is asking for the enter the size of the array. We are giving the elements, that is size of the array is 3. It asks the enter the elements of the array. I am giving the element 10, 40, 30. That is 3 elements as a input. Next, which element we have to search, that is I will give 10 element. That is search is successful. See the element search is not successful. Another output, that is again go for Control F9, that is run the program. Again take the 3 elements 10, 30, 40. Next, if we want to search the element, it is not in the array list, that is 60. It prints search is unsuccessful. Like this, the linear search program works. It is not only depend upon the sorted arrays. We can use the sorted elements or unsorted elements to search the numbers in using the linear search method. Thank you one and all.